You're sitting in age lecture room, staring at formulas and wondering, when am I ever going to use this? The answer is right now. We are entering the fourth industrial revolution, where data is more valuable than diesel. This is topic 1, Precision Farming 101. It's how we bridge the global yield gap using pure data intelligence. Think about it, why does 1 hectare in Nigeria produce 2 tons of maize while 1 in Iowa produces 12? It's not just luck, it's information. This is where your statistics course comes in. We don't just look at averages, we look at spatial variability. In the real world, no field is uniform. One corner might have high nitrogen, while another is bone dry and depleted. If you treat the whole field the same, you waste 40% of your fertilizer. That is a massive economic loss for a large-scale project. But when you apply regression analysis, you can predict exactly how a plant will respond to a specific dose of nutrients. Now, let's talk programming. Why are you learning Python or R? Because a tractor needs a brain to read these maps. We build algorithms that enable variable rate technology, VRT. This is hardware that changes its output based on GPS coordinates. In your digital systems class, you learn about logic gates and signal processing. In reality, this is machine learning. We train neural networks to identify armyworm or leaf rust from a drone photo before the human eye can even see it. This is called site-specific management. Instead of spraying the whole 100 hectares, you only spray the 2 hectares that are sick. This isn't just theory. If you're working on a project in Kano or Oyo, this technology can save a commercial farm millions of naira. Then there is the Internet of Things, IoT. Your courses on instrumentation teach you how sensors talk to each other. Imagine a system where the soil moisture drops, and it automatically triggers the irrigation pump, but only if the weather forecast says it won't rain. That takes complex coding, signal processing, and a deep understanding of hydraulics. That is why you are an engineer. Without these boring courses, you are just a technician following orders. With him, you are the one designing the entire system. This is the major scope, data intelligence. It's the bridge between a hungry continent and the self-sufficient powerhouse. When you study probability, you're actually studying how to manage the risks of climate change and fluctuating markets. Every line of code you write is a step toward an Africa that doesn't need to import its food from thousands of miles away. So, don't just pass your data science exams. Master them, because these tools are the keys to our industrial revolution. We are transforming the way we eat, and it all starts with the data on your screen. I'm Nakul, and this is Agri Evolve. If you're a student ready to build the future, you're in the right place. In next video, we're going beyond the lab to see how bioprocess engineering can actually save lives in rural areas. Don't miss it. Subscribe and share this with your fellow students. Let's change the narrative together.